I never needed you like I do right now. I never hated you like I do right now. 'Cause all you ever do is make me.
I'm gonna try on light blue lenses. Oh my. It burns. Oh fuck. Okay, I got this. I got this. Hey sisters. It burns, but Madison Beer who made you laugh the most because her jokes and sense of humor are beyond elite? Who was a literal angel and princess and deserved all the love and attention in the universe? Who did your parents love the most and wanted you to marry and spoil for eternity? Who had the nicest body and looked like a supermodel with perfect tits and booty? Who will you devote your entire life to make sure that she is the happiest and most loved and
Put your head on my shoulder.
I ain't never seen two pretty best friends. It's always one of them gotta be ugly.
Child. Anyway, so
I'm known for running my mouth. I'm known for running my. To the car. Come here, girl.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Come to the back.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
VIP.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Drinks on me.
Go ahead, be
See
gone
what
with
you're
it.
twerking with.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Look at those hips.
Go ahead, be gone with
You
it.
make me smile.
Go.
It goes on and on and on.
remind me of
Everything tonight.
yes, I'm in the zone.
Dreaming about the things that we could be.
You already know.
That's what kill me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch.
Is it too late now to say?
I need a one dance. And then we start to dance and I'm singing like,
I want something just like that.
Might be over now, but I feel it still. Duh.
I want you to be happy.
Damn, walking past the mirror. Ooh, get my fine. Let her try me. Boom, hammer time. I was born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets. I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than.
Je remets le ciel, le jour, la nuit. Je danse avec le vent, la pluie. Un peu d'amour, un peu de miel. Et je danse, 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 danse. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby.
Could you be a voice actor? Duet this video to find out. 4 scripts, 50 seconds. This is the Commercial Voiceover Challenge. Starting now.
Okay, so this is a compilation of unidentified sounds I can make, so please help me identify them. Here we go. Welcome in the jungle.
She went up a Molly ramp and she went. Yeah. Got up, I know what we doing today. I here with them killers, they ruin your day. I'm feeling good, I'm super today. With the gang and we feel like Sly Cooper today. Got a Billy, but I just might Uber today. Got a bin with me like a stormtrooper today.
Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sensing me and everybody.
This is me 1 day into watching Trinity Marie on TikTok. This is me 2 days into watching Trinity Marie on TikTok. This is me 1 week into watching Trinity Marie on TikTok. Bougie bitch!
Get the fuck now. Get the
everything you ever need, and it's here right in front of you. This is where you wanna be. It's everything you ever want. It's everything you ever need.
Oh hi, I didn't see you there. Are you tired of mispronouncing words and seeming uncultured? Well, fret no more. I've partnered up with Duolingo, so go watch my videos with Duolingo so you can learn languages for free.
I'm a friend you have seen nothing. There's a way to act. I'm bad. I'm bad.
Pineapple under the sea. Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved.
Why me and my best friend will never fight over a guy?
That's some
In France, when we want to tell someone that they are sexy, we don't say, oh my god, you're so sexy, you're so hot. Non, we say, oui, 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 espèce d'oie coquine, oui, t'es trop coquine. Mosquito accent challenge, let's go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. North Pole accent challenge. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Sorry. Sheep accent challenge. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Show me your completely useless secret talent. Here is mine. I can imitate seagulls. Anime accent challenge. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. I am not American or French. I am a seagull. This is me rating how drunk I would have to be to hook up with cartoon characters. Number 1. Motherfucking sober! Maybe like 6 out of 10. This is the top 5 cute names for your goldfish. Number 1, Swim Shady. Number 2, Barack Obama. Number 3, and number 4, I have a joke for you. Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Why? Because if they flew over the bay, they would be called bagels. Oh, I get it! Males that I would cheat on my boyfriend for. Wait. So number...
Hey baby gull. Are you single?
Me?
What that mouth do though? This...
People be like, why is she famous? All she does is imitate seagulls. Can you? Can you? How drunk I would have to be to hook up with cartoon characters, part 2. Number 1, sober. Number 2, I would let her step on my face. I'm gonna guess your seagull star sign. Why the fuck is this here? So this is your seagull persona according to your star sign. You are very generous. You bring bread to your friends. You're the seagull bread. What? You are such a needy bitch, always asking for attention, reassurance. Like, just shut the You're so cute. You're friends with everyone. So cuddly. You probably always cheat on your partner. How drunk I would have to be to hook up with cartoon characters, part 3. Number 1. Like 2 shots of petrol. Daddy, you can take me to Glowpunk Quadrant anytime.